TicketMaster automation. Log into the portal. An active subscription is required to receive your account credentials. Open the Accounts page. You can upload accounts using an Excel CSV file or manually add accounts directly from the web page. Visit the Schedule page, create an event, and assign a target URL for any account. Now, you can start the bot. The bot will automatically open the scheduled event for the selected account based on the configured date and time. It will then select the best available seats with the maximum possible quantity. Next, the bot will automatically log into the assigned account. After that, it will collect, save, and notify you with the checkout link so you can complete your payment on time. You can also find all checkout links directly from the dashboard. In production mode, an auto-buy feature for the checkout page can also be enabled.